In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online after 50. And yes, you can copy me. No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or complicated tech nightmare that leaves you more frustrated than when you started. I'm talking about a simple system that anyone over 50 can copy, even if you can barely figure out how to post on Facebook. Because honestly, just a few months ago, that was me. If we haven't met yet, my name is Deb and I'm 55. When I started searching for a way to make money online, long hours at a job that drained me, I was worried sick about retirement because my savings were nowhere near where they should be, and frankly, wondering if I would ever get to retire. Before we dive in, if you want to grab my step-by-step blueprint that shows exactly how I set this whole business up, even as a total beginner, you can get the link for my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. So here's the thing that nobody is talking about. Most online money-making methods are designed by 25-year-olds for 25-year-olds. But what if I told you there was actually an advantage to starting this journey in your 50s? The system I'm using is called digital educational marketing, and it's perfect for people our age because it's built with something we already have: life experience and the ability to connect with people authentically. Instead of trying to create something from scratch, you're sharing proven educational content that people are already searching for every single day. Here's what caught my attention. People using this system are making anywhere from $300 to $900 a day, and many are doing it working just 2 hours a day. I'm talking real money, not pocket change. The digital education market is projected to reach $3 billion. So we're not talking some tiny niche. The beauty of this approach is you don't need to be the smartest person in the room or have some special talent. You just need to be willing to learn a simple system and be consistent with it. That's important. And here's the secret. People prefer to learn from someone who's been where they are. I've got a free class that walks you through the entire system. I'll put the link in the description below. It's completely free and shows you everything behind the scenes. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not tech savvy. I can barely figure out my smartphone. Trust me, I get it. But here's what I discovered that changed everything. The system I'm using comes completely done for you. I'm talking about a pre-built website, capture page, and automated email sequence. Everything you need to run a professional online business without having to figure out the tech stuff first. All you need to do is plug in your own details. What blew my mind is that people are making $3,000 to $10,000 a month with this done-for-you system. Some are even replacing their full-time income or more. And the best part, once it's set up, it's on autopilot. You can literally make money while you're sleeping, grocery shopping, or playing with kids. When everything is already built for you, and you just have to follow a step-by-step system, even somebody like me can do this. It's not about being tech-savvy. It's about being willing to learn new skills and follow a step-by-step system. This addresses the biggest fear most people our age have of selling online. You don't have to become some pushy salesperson or bug family and friend. The system does all the selling for you through automated systems. People find you because you're providing valuable information they are already looking for, not because you're chasing them down. This is huge because it means you can make consistent sales without ever having to pick up the phone or convince anyone of anything. The automation handles all the follow-up, all the explanations, all the closing. People in our community are generating consistent daily income. We're talking 100, 300, 600 a day, and never feeling like they're bothering anyone. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather have a system that attracts the right people to you instead of you chasing after them? That is exactly what this does. You become the solution people are looking for. Now here's something that really sets this apart, and it solves a problem that stops most people over 50 from even starting. Unlike other online businesses where you're competing with millions of other people selling the same product, this system gives you something called master resale right. That means you get to sell a proven educational program as if it were your own and keep 100% of the profits. No splitting commission and no tiny affiliate percentages. We're talking about selling high-value educational programs for $300, $600, or even $900 each. And since you keep 100% of the sale, just one sale a day at $600 puts you at $18,000 a month. These aren't pipe dreams. These are real numbers from real people using this exact system. The best thing is you're not just making money, you're actually learning valuable digital marketing skills while you're earning. Here's the final piece that convinced me that this was different to all the other opportunities I had tried. You're not doing this alone. This system comes with a complete support community of over 55,000 people, many of them our age, who are working together to build their digital businesses. There are live coaching calls, training updates, and people who genuinely want to help you to succeed. Having that support makes all the difference in the world, especially when you're trying something new. Instead of struggling alone and making expensive mistakes, you have access to people who have already figured it out. This gives you all the independence of running your own business, but with a support system that makes success so much more likely. You're not starting from zero. You're joining a community of people who want to see you. What's been holding you back from trying to make money online? Is it the tech stuff? Not knowing what to sell? Or maybe you've been burnt by other opportunities before. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest challenge has been. And I'd love to help you figure out if this might be right for you. Look, you didn't come this far in life just to give up on your dreams now. If you're tired of worrying about money and ready to take control of your financial future with a system that actually makes sense, then it's time to take that first step. If you want to see exactly how this program works, I have a free class that walks you through the whole step-by-step system, how to earn, even if you're starting with no experience. You can grab the link in the description below. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're just one decision away from a whole new kind of freedom. I hope to see you in the program.